Welcome back to Advanced Skills Learning. One of the biggest mistakes developers are making right now is believing they must master machine learning before they can work with AI systems. That belief is slowing people down. It is overwhelming good engineers, and in many cases, it is completely unnecessary. Because the reality is this: most modern AI engineering work is not building foundation models from scratch. It is building systems around them, and those are very different skills. A huge number of developers now believe this sequence is mandatory. First, learn advanced math. Then, learn machine learning theory. Then, learn deep learning. Then maybe, years later, you can finally build AI applications. That sounds logical, but it is based on an outdated mental model of how AI systems are actually being built today. Especially in enterprise environments, people believe this because historically, AI development did require deep ML expertise. You had to train models, tune architectures, engineer features, optimize datasets, manage training pipelines. But GenAI changed the abstraction layer. Today, developers can access extremely powerful pre-trained models through APIs. That fundamentally changes what most AI engineers actually spend their time doing. In production environments, most AI problems are not gradient descent problems, transformer architecture problems, tensor optimization problems. They are retrieval problems, latency problems, orchestration problems, observability problems, evaluation problems, integration problems, security problems. The hard part is rarely, can the model generate text? The hard part is, can this system reliably work inside a real business environment? That is a completely different challenge. For most developers entering AI today, the highest leverage skills are often API integration, prompt engineering, retrieval systems, context management, evaluation frameworks, workflow orchestration, architecture thinking. Not training neural networks from scratch. And this is where many people lose months. They study highly theoretical ML concepts without ever building real AI systems. That creates knowledge without capability. The internet made this confusion worse. Because many AI learning roadmaps are designed around academic prestige, complexity, course selling, content depth, not practical industry outcomes. And beginners assume, if this roadmap looks harder, it must be more correct. But difficulty does not automatically equal relevance. A lot of developers are drowning in theory before they even understand how modern AI applications are assembled. In enterprise environments, many successful AI engineers are not building new foundation models. They are solving problems like document retrieval, workflow automation, search quality, governance, AI observability, hallucination reduction, API reliability, human-in-the-loop systems. That work requires engineering judgment, systems thinking, architecture skills, operational maturity. Not necessarily a PhD-level understanding of transformers. A much better path for most developers is, first, learn how AI systems are assembled. Build real applications, understand prompts, retrieval, evaluation, orchestration, latency, failure patterns, context management. Then later, if your career requires deeper ML knowledge, you can go deeper intentionally. Now the theory connects to reality. Instead of becoming abstract memorization, this is the deeper industry shift many people still do not understand. Software engineering keeps moving toward higher abstractions. Most web developers no longer write assembly language. Most cloud engineers no longer manage physical servers. Most app developers no longer build databases from scratch. AI is moving the same way. That does not make ML irrelevant. It means the leverage point change, and many learning roadmaps have not caught up yet. If your goal is AI research, then yes, deep machine learning knowledge matters enormously. But if your goal is building modern AI applications, you probably need systems thinking before advanced ML theory. The biggest mistake is not learning machine learning. The biggest mistake is delaying real-world AI building for months or years because you believed you were not ready yet. The developers growing fastest in AI right now are not necessarily the people learning the most theory first. They are the people building the most systems. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you rethink the AI learning path, like the video and subscribe to Advanced Skills Learning for more AI myths, production realities, and practical Gen AI system insights.